I met Nick from around the house, Appliance, about 8 years ago. I was looking in the Yellow Pages, which is antiquated now, for an appliance person, and I had a very specific need. I needed to have my ice maker, my in refrigerator unit ice maker cleaned, and no one wanted to do it. It was a nasty job. It was a time consuming job, and I guess it didn't pay very much to clean an ice maker. But Nick was about the fourth person I called, and he was gracious about it and said, "Absolutely, I'll do that." And so he's been coming here twice a year and cleaning my ice maker for about 8 years. And of course, has helped out with many things, and he's solid. He's just a nice young man. He's reliable and he's honest and trustworthy. I call Nick on the phone and tell him whatever my problem is, if it's with my washing machine or my oven or whatever it is, and he will listen and he will decide whether he needs to get parts before he comes to my house. He will tell me if it's not worth fixing. I recently had to replace a washing machine. He told me what brand to get. He just is someone that I feel very comfortable around. He's like a friend to me, and I'm happy to know him. I'd be happy to be a friend of his. One point in my association with Nick, I had spilled something on my oven door somehow, and it got between this layers of glass on the door, and it was certainly not hurting my oven, but it was bothering me because it wasn't pretty anymore. And he came over here and spent, I bet, 3 hours fixing that. We had to take the door off. We had to take the glass apart. We had to figure out how to put the glass back after he cleaned it. And he just has a smile on his face and goes right ahead doing whatever he needs to do. He's just delightful to work with, and I would recommend him to anybody, and I have recommended him to a lot of friends.